okay, I got a better shot here. Look at how beautiful that is. And this is on the, wow. There he is. Oh my goodness. This is rare. This is on my phone, by the way. The Google Pixel. Hard to steady the shot here. But there he is. It's a yellow finch. Extremely rare. They only show up during the winter time. And even though they may or may not be here, they're get a better view here. Look at that beauty. The zoom on this camera is amazing, and if you mix that in, you know, the quality and the zoom together, you know, it's still not pixelated or anything like that. But look at this guy, he's just having the time of his life. Oh, sorry. Where is it? There he is. Here is a chickadee. Is that a chickadee? I'm blinking on nuthatch. Sorry, that's a nuthatch. That's a nuthatch right there. These guys are also very cute. But back to my star of the evening, of the morning. Sorry. He's just, wow. There he is. The ring camera doesn't capture, you know, the quality as well. But he seems very, very happy, and it's so beautiful. This is what life's about, you know, just trying to enjoy the little things, trying to take in the beauty around us. Yeah, look at that. We're gifted with this every single day. And that's a woodpecker somewhere. My hand's hurting. But I'll try to get as much video as I can. I don't think I'm probably going to see this guy around that often. They only come once a year, so. Wow, 5-minute video. This guy is a star, man. Oops. Stabilizing a max zoom like this is nearly impossible. Yeah, that's 5 whole minutes. I mean, this guy isn't doing much. Oops. That's 5 whole minutes right there.